Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the second game of BUCAL Season 3. You're about to witness the battle between ADNU Golden Knights versus Amando Cope College. Alright, we invite again the first five for both teams. This game is brought to you by Rotary Club of Naga and People's General Insurance Corporation. Right. First ball possession goes to the Golden Knights. Number 2, given the ball. Back, number 3, offense. Drive. Number 1, no good. Number 13 with a heavy rebound. Stolen by number 11. Number 25. Number 21. Number 25. Number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 25. 5 seconds. Number 7 with a rebound. Number 3. Number 7. Number 1. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 points by number 17. Number 25 attacks. Number 22 turns around. Pump fake, shoots. No good. Number 3. Straight into the basket. Back-to-back points for ADNU Golden Knights. Number 21 with a fake pass to number 11. Drives, steps back. Number 25 looking for someone. Lap pass to number 11. Number 11 with a quick pass on the side. No good. Number 3. And number 1. With a quick release. Nothing but net. 3 points. Number 21. Number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Pump fakes. Number 11 looking for revenge. Pump fakes to number 5 seconds. Teardrop. And that's the first point for Amando Cope College. Number 3. Number 1. Number 3. Quick pass inside. And a foul was called. Foul number 35. First personal foul, first team foul. Foul number 7. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 25. Number 11. Number 13. Back to number 11. Shoots. No good. Number 13 with a rebound. To number 7. Number 21. Another floater but didn't connect. Number 7 with the rebound. Number 3. Number 17. 3 points once again by number 17. Number 1. To number 3, another 2 points. That's the first timeout of the game by Amando Cope College. Running score, 13-2, 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Shoutout po kay Janjan Bequilio. Happy viewing from the table officials. For your shoutouts and messages, you can tweet your thoughts using our official hashtag. That's hashtag BUCAL Season 3. Again, you can tweet your thoughts and messages using our official hashtag. It's hashtag BUCAL Season 3. And we are now back to the ball game. Will ACC recover or will the Golden Knights continue reigning supreme? Number 11, heavily guarded. Number 21, another teardrop. Favorite shot by number 21. Number 3 to number 17. Number 7 with a quick jumper. 2 points. Lap pass to number 10. Number 10 from beyond the arc. Misses. Number 7 with a rebound. To number 3. Drives into the key. From the board. Straight into the basket. And the whistle was blown. Foul number 7, second personal foul, second team foul. Number 10 shoots a 3, no good. Rebound by number 22 to number 25. Still no luck for the consecutive attempts. Number 3. Number 1. Number 17. Bounce pass to number 13. Turns around. Shoots. No good. 5 minutes remaining time for the first period. Number 10 loses the ball. Substitution. Substitution. Number 3. The number 17, number 14, loses the ball. Number 25, the number 10, with an open fire, still no good. Rebounded by number 14, the number 17, dribbles. The number 1, bump fakes, baseline drive, loses the ball. Number 17. Number 25. Number 11. Air ball. Number 3 drives straight into the hoop. Breakaway pass to number 25. Stolen by number 1. Substitution. 16 seconds to make the shot. 16 seconds. Number 11. The number 7. No good. With a second attempt. The number 17. Back to number 7. Number 19. 5 seconds. No good. Number 1. Breakaway pass. Steps into the line and that's a turnover. Three minutes and 12 seconds remaining time. Number 7. Still generating a play for his team. Hits the board but not the basket. Breakaway pass to number 1 against number 17. Didn't connect. Stripped away from behind by number 1. Back to number 1. Line pass inside to number 14. Floater didn't connect. Number 17 to number 7. Lap pass to number 11. Still no good. Number 3. Driving the ball against all odds. Substitution. Number 17. The number 7. Number 22. Number 0. 10-second shot clock. Rebounded by ADNU. One minute and 52 seconds remaining time. Five-second shot clock. Number 14. Attacks straight into the hoop. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Number 22 to number 7. Pump fakes. Dribbles. Number 17. Attacks. Loses the ball. Number 16. Number 0. Foul number 22. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 16. 10 seconds. $51 seconds remaining time. Number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 7, dribbles. 5 seconds. Intercepted by number 16. Number 26. Easy layup. Shot clock is off. 20 seconds. Seconds. Intercepted once again by number 16. And that's the end of the first quarter with a score 25-4 in favor of Ateneo Golden Knights. Back to the ball game. And we're down to the second quarter of the match. Number 7. The number 0. The number 17. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 14 with a rebound. Number 16. Number 26. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points for number 16. Number 17 with a quick release. Still no good. Number 7, 10 seconds to shoot. Substitution. Seconds to make the shot. No luck. Foul number 0. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 21. Five seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation. Number 16. The number 0. The number 14. The number 12. Number 16. Euro step. Number 0. No good. And he makes it. Number 21. The number 15. That's a traveling violation. Number 16. Number 0. Number 26. Turns around and hits the deck. Number 21. Lab pass to number 11. Bounce pass. To number 15, but misses the shot. Number 26. Dribbles. To number 0. Quick pass from the side. And a shot, but no good. Number 21 with a rebound. With a quick 3 points. Still no luck. Back to number 21. Pump fakes, drives. Lap pass to number 15, loses the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Alley-oop. Straight into the hoop. 7 minutes remaining time. Running score 31-6. Number 26 dribbles. The number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Number 11, the number 21. Number 14, baseline drive to number 15. With a jumper, no good. Number 3, running like a wind, straight into the basket. Number 21, dribbles, quick pass to number 14. And a strong pass to number 11, to number 21. Dribbles against 2, loses the ball. Once again, number 3, straight into the hoop, but misses. Number 11 with a quick 3 points. Still no good. Number 3. For comeback. No good. Substitution. Substitution. 16 seconds. Number 0. 10 seconds. 5. 'Open fire. Finally, the first 3 points by ACC. We acknowledge the presence of our former president, Father Jun Veray. Number 11, dribbles. Number 7, breakaway pass. Number 11. Dribbles. The number 14 fires a 3, no good. Number 22 for their 3rd attempt, pump fakes and a jumper. Still no luck for the 4th attempt, and they loses the opportunity. Number 31 with an easy layup straight into the basket. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Running score 35-9 in favor of ADNU Golden Knights. Number 31 with a quick interception. Number 8 against number 10. Loses number 3. And he makes it. Number 11. Foul number 8. Number 8, first personal foul, second team foul. 3 minutes and 52 seconds remaining time. 19 seconds to complete the play. Number 14. Number 11. Foul number 13. First personal foul. Third team foul. Number 7, the number 31. Number 7, 2 points. Number 11. Number 7, third personal foul, fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Number 11. The number 10. From downtown. Perfect release. Number 16. The number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. And he makes it. Number 23. Number 10. From long range, air ball. Substitution. Number 16, intercepted by number 14. Number 8. The number 16. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. And that's a shot clock violation. Two minutes remaining time for the second quarter. Number 14 looking for someone inside, and a quick shot by number 22. Number 16. The number 31 with an open fire. No good. Foul number 22. Second personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. Golden Knights. Number 11. And number 22. And number 11. Number 10. 10 seconds to shoot. Baseline drive with a quick pass. 5 seconds. Second attempt. And they nailed it. 3 points by number 10. 1 minute. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Number 16, loses the ball. Number 11, number 10, once again, no good. And they nailed it. 30 seconds remaining time. Probably the last possession for both teams. Number 16 generating a play for his team. Lap pass inside. And I suppose alley-oop, but didn't connect. Shot clock is off. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. Nice play. Foul number 14. First personal foul, penalty. And number 10 completed the three-point play. 7 seconds to make the shot. You to step into a traveling violation. 3 seconds. Foul number 3. Number 3, first personal foul. Number 16, first personal foul. He makes the first shot. That's 2 chickens in the bucket by number 11. We're down to the third quarter of the match. Running score 41-25. Still in favor of Ateneo Golden Knights. Next game would be Ateneo Junior Golden Knights versus UNC Junior Greyhounds. Inbound by number 1. Number 3, to start the quarter. Dribbles, attacks, loses the ball. Number 17, number 1. Attacks, no good. Number 11, number 14. Number 3 with a drive, but didn't reach the back. Number 11 attacks, no good. Number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Number 17. Number 7. Number 14. Stolen by number 3. Number 3 to number 17. 3 points. Number 11. Heavily guarded. Number 10. Number 25. 2 points. Number 3. The number 1. Baseline drive. Number 14. Foul number 3. First personal foul, first team foul. Substitution. Substitution. Foul number 25, second personal foul, first team foul. Number 3, dribbles. That pass inside, but the whistle was blown. Foul number 7. Number 7, first personal foul, second team foul. 14 seconds to complete the play. Number 1, quick pass inside. Number 3. Rebounded by number 0. On fakes. Shot clock violation. clock violation. Turnover. Number 7. Inbound to number 11. Number 0. Number 17. The number 1. The number 7. The number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to make the play. 7 seconds. Number 3 with a sniper shot. Number 11. Number 10. Number 25. Drives. 11 seconds to make the play. 11 seconds. Five seconds. Number 0, second personal foul, second team foul. Substitution. No good for the first one. Rebounded by number 1, number 3. Number 0, number 17. From behind the line, 3 points once again by number 17. Number 0, number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 0, number 14, number 3. Drives you to step into a beautiful layup. Number 0. The number 14, the number 1 for a breakaway layup. Back-to-back points for the Golden Knights. 5 minutes remaining time for the third period. Number 25, the number 10, the number 11. Attacks, big pass outside from downtown, no good. Rebounded and placed back by number 25. Number 3. The number 1. From long range. And the foul is called inside. Double foul for number 0 of Golden Knights and ACC. Third personal foul for 0 of Golden Knights. For ACC, first personal foul. Number 11 to number 22. No good. Number 17 against 3. No good. Number 22 with a rebound. Foul number 1. First personal foul. 4th team foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. Number 10 with a quick 3-point attempt. Rebounded by number 31. To number 0. To number 1. Back to number 0. Attacks. 2 points. Number 25. To number 10. Into the baseline. 10 seconds to shoot. The number 1. Straight into the basket. Number 21. The number 25. Pump fakes. Shoots. 3 points. Number 16. The number 31. The number 14. The number 16. Substitution. Timeout, ACC. And we're back to the ball game. 10-second shot clock. Once again, 10 seconds to complete the play. Two minutes and 36 seconds remaining time. Running score 57-34. Still in favor of the Golden Knights. 10-second shot clock. Inbound by number 14. The number 26. Foul number 21. First personal foul. 4th team foul. Warning for penalty. Number 0. Number 16. Five seconds. And he makes it. Number 21. Number 10. And he nailed it. 2 minutes remaining time. Number 16 to number 14. From downtown. Kisses the rim but not the basket. Number 15. Number 21. Number 15. Foul number 0. Fourth personal foul. Warning for exclusion. Penalty. Substitution, Golden Knights. No good for the second attempt. Number 14, the number 16. Dribbles. Stolen. It's stolen once again. Number 21. The number 10. The number 32. Attacks the number 10 from long range. No good. Foul number 14, penalty. Number 14, second personal foul. He makes the first one. And he completed the two-point play. That's number 15 of ACC. Number 16. And he makes it. 54 seconds. Stolen by the Golden Knights. Retrieved by ACC. Number 14. Stolen once again by the Golden Knights. Number 31. 30 seconds. Probably the last possession for both teams. Number 21 with a soft and easy drive. Shot clock is off. 10 seconds. Pump fakes. 5 seconds. And that's the end of the third quarter with a score 63-41. Back to the ball game. And we're down to the fourth and final quarter of the match with a score 63-41, a 22-point lead of the Golden Knights. Inbound by number 1. Number 3. Dancing to the final beat of the drum. Drives, huge step, but didn't reach the basket. Number 21. Number 14. Number 7. Number 3. Once again, for his second attempt, still didn't make it. Number 14, 3 points. Number 1, number 7. Number 14 fires a 3, no good. Number 1, 10 seconds. Substitution. 6 seconds. 6 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Number 21 from the outside. Number 22. Number 1, to number 3. Attacks, to number 12. Number 22, to number 14. Drives, but didn't connect. Number 3. Number 14. Turns around, baseline drive, loses the ball, and still make it to the basket. Running score 65-44. Jumper, no good. Number 3. Number 3 against number 14. No good. Number 21. Intercepted by number 1. The number 3 once again. Number 14, first personal foul, first team foul. He makes the first one. No good for the second. Number 15. Number 3. From beyond the arc. 3 points. Number 21 attacks. Teardrop. No good. Number 1 against number 22. Turns around and didn't reach the basket. Second attempt. Still no good. Stolen by number 14. Back to number 1. Number 11. Timeout, Golden Knights. Back to the ball game. Number 26. Dribble. The number 0 from long range. No good. No good. Rebounded by number 13. Number 21. Breakaway pass to number 10. Into a hook shot. Number 16. Fires. No good. Number 21. Running score 69-48. 5 minutes remaining time. Three points by number 11. A dagger through the heart. Number 16 to number 31. To number 7. 11 seconds, shot clock. 11 seconds. Seconds. Breakaway pass, yet intercepted. Number 21, the number 10. Number 22. Number 16. Substitution. "14-second shot clock. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And that's a traveling violation. Number 21. Dribbles. Number 11. Number 10. Quick pass inside. "12-second shot clock. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Number 3. 10 seconds. Number 21. Number 10. From long range. Number 0, 5th personal foul, excluded player. Timeout, ACC. And we're back to the ball game. We're down to the last 2 minutes and 52 seconds remaining time of the fourth and final quarter match between Ateneo Golden Knights and Amando Copa College. Next game would be Ateneo Junior Golden Knights versus UNC Junior Greyhounds. Number 1, breakaway pass to number 31. Number 3. Number 1. Number 14. Rejected from behind. Second attempt. No good. And intercepted. Number 1. Nice pass to the inside, but didn't make the shot. Number 1. Last 2 minutes. 5 seconds. Number 10 to number 11. Fires a 3. No good. Number 1 with the rebound. Back to number 1. Number 14. Turn around, fades away. No good. Number 11. Number 22. With a long range shot. No good. Timeout, ACC. And we're back to the ball game. ACC consumed timeout. Next game would be ADNU Junior Golden Knights versus UNC Junior Greyhounds. One minute remaining time. Seconds. Number 21 fires a three. 3 points. Shot clock violation. 3 seconds to play. And that's the end of the game. With a score, 72-54. Winner, ADNU Golden Knights. Happy birthday po sa team captain ng ADNU Golden Knights, Kenneth Estopase. And kay Coach Jack.